Let's talk about bidets. I know it's kind of a weird subject, but I did a lot of research on these before I bought one, and I wanted to show you how simple they are to put on because that was kind of my barrier to entry. I didn't really want to start messing with these things because I thought it was just going to be really complicated to put together, but it comes with a lot of paperwork involved. There are also QR codes on the boxes that you can scan, and it'll show you how to do it. There are videos online. It is so easy, but I'm going to walk you through it very quickly just by showing you the product here to show you how painfully easy it is. So here's the actual bidet unit. This is about what it's going to look like. And these holes are really big. That way there's some wiggle room in order to put this thing on there depending on how far apart the screws are in your specific toilet seat, which is great. But here's essentially how it works. You shut off the water on your toilet. That's essential. You take off your toilet seat. You put this on your toilet seat. You put your toilet seat back on and screw it in. Now this thing is sandwiched between your toilet and your toilet seat, just sitting there, right? Then now you use all this stuff. You detach the hose, it's gonna look a lot like this, that's coming from your floor into the back of your toilet. If you detach it from the back of your toilet, you can now add this T-joint to it. That way, the water can still come up into here, into your toilet tank, but then there's also a T, so now you can route some of that water up to your bidet. It's that easy. Then you turn the water back on. Now water is still getting into your toilet and it's being diverted. Some of it's being diverted into the bidet, which then you can use the different options here to determine how much pressure you want and things like that. But that's it. That's the entire setup. It is truly that easy. So if you were thinking about getting one of these, but you thought maybe the setup is really difficult, I'm hoping to show people that it really truly is easy and worth it. And this specific brand, the LUXE, is one that after some research, I decided was the best one for me. So if you were in the same boat as me and you were looking for a bidet, this is how easy it is to put on. And this is a brand that I enjoy and that I would definitely recommend.